All right, what's going on, guys? Tremaine here. We're going to do a quick trade breakdown over Asia, okay, Sunday night. We're going to make this really quick. I don't want to spend too much time here, but we have a premium gap opening with our new week opening gap. Okay, we gap higher than Friday's close. Notice how we're missing buy side and sell side delivery. Okay, we gap higher at 6 p.m., trade down, offered a little bit of sell side, and then that was it. It was off to the races going higher. When I see that gap higher and we immediately start to run away, I'm thinking I want shorts. I want to go short. Okay, I'm not interested in buying anything. I don't want to chase anything going higher. This needs to offer sell side delivery. Okay, we need sell side delivery and buy side delivery inside of this opening range. So really from that candle's low up to this candle's high, it's missing sell side and buy side delivery. So I'm expecting a repricing down into that. Okay, so I'm not interested in taking anything going long. Here's your initial buy side. That is your highest high between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. Initial sell side, your lowest low between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. Okay, 7 o'clock starts your window to start looking for a setup. 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock is your sweet spot, and you have that nice 8 o'clock macro, 750 to 810. All right, so we're consolidating in here. What do we have here? Relative equal highs, high probability, relative equal highs. This high here is lower than this high, making it high probability. Okay, so I'm looking at the charts. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for us to take out initial buy side. That's the rule. Okay, if you haven't watched the How to Trade Asia ATM model video that I made a while ago, just click that link in the top right. Okay, you would be doing yourself a favor to go watch that. But we take out initial buy side. Okay, as soon as I see that and we break lower, I'm telling myself the stage is set for lower prices. All right, we cleared out equal highs. We need sell side delivery in this new week opening gap, and we have initial sell side that is still intact here. Buy side taken, relative equal highs, break lower. All right, we have a fair value gap, which is also a balanced price range. We have the single pass up with this candle, followed by a single pass down. So this range right here is balanced. Okay, trading up into it here, trading up into it here. The wicks do the damage, okay, but where the body's stopping and the lower half of the fair value gap always include the volume imbalance. Okay, this candle trades up, again above the initial buy side, trade down, optimal trade entry. Look at the bodies respecting the fair value gap. Nice displacement, clearing out the relative equal lows. You want to see speed underneath that. Beautiful. Optimal trade entry. This faded gray line here that you see, that is an old weekly high. So your old weekly high and low for the past 3 weeks and your previous day's high and low for the past 3 days, those are our key levels I like to have on my chart. Okay, so this is an old weekly high that was formed in the past 3 weeks. So trading down, trading up, fair value gap, coupled with the bearish order block, that's your optimal trade entry if you trade that. Look at the bodies respecting the lower half, can't even reach consequent encroachment of the fair value gap, that's bearish. Trade down, can't close past midpoint of this up close candle, which is a propulsion block. Trade down, fair value gap, and initial sell side taken. That should be a partial. Trade all the way back up, clearing out the equal highs. Once more into the fair value gap and the balanced price range. Trade down, tagging that old weekly high. Trade up, bearish order block. High the new week opening gap, and we get a full repricing down to the low of it, offering sell side delivery, buy side delivery, sell side delivery, buy side delivery. So now this new week opening gap has been efficiently delivered on both buy side and sell side delivery. So let's go ahead and slap on the executions. Okay, live account, personal funds, shorting 8 contracts there. All right, treating these 3 down close candles initially as a bearish order block. So as soon as I see us take out the buy side and we start to move away, okay, I'm shorting right here as we're trading into these 3 down close candles. I'm not seeing that as a bullish order block. This fair value gap, I'm not expecting that to take us higher. Let's zoom in a little tighter. All right, so I'm not expecting this fair value gap or volume imbalance or order block. I'm not expecting that to take us higher, clearing out this high. Okay, in my mind, the thought process is we've already done the damage of taking out initial buy side. I don't want to see this high taken out because now breakout traders who are going long above this high, they're now tripped in going long. I want to see us rake it against the coals. Okay, I want to see them just completely get demolished and not give them a chance to get out of their long position. So once we tag them in and tag those buy stops, I want to see this high stay in place. I'm shorting here inside these 3 down close candles. We have a high, low, higher high. Shorting here, anticipating this to act as a bearish breaker. We get some retracements into this fair value gap, that's fine. Trading once more above the initial buy side. Failed to reach consequent encroachment of this wick. Okay, no big deal. My stop loss was above the high. Trading down, trading up, fair value gap. Trading down again, partial. Okay, I shorted 8 contracts, taking 2 off at that old weekly high. Okay, pretty nice exit there for a partial. Trade all the way back up. Stop losses move to break even at this point. Bearish order block. Trade down, trade down. I take off 2 more contracts at the initial sell side. All right, and I wish I would have taken off a little bit more. Probably could have taken off about 4 contracts here, because the rules are you target initial sell side and or the new week opening gap. So it would have been nice to take off 2 here, 4 here, and then you can see my initial getting stopped out on the balance, on the initial balance right there in profit. So I was holding out for the high of the new week opening gap, just fell short of it, but partial, stopped in profit, and then target hit here, and then you get that full repricing to the low of the new week opening gap. So that was Asia. Back live trading Tuesday. Okay, Monday we have a free tapering stream, but I'm filming this Sunday night, so by the time you're watching this video, the Monday tapering stream has already taken place. And full access, I will see you all in the live stream Tuesday morning at 9:30, and we'll look to catch a setup and make some money. So that'll be fun. Everybody else, I'll be chatting up with you on the Discord. If you have any questions, message me in the comment section, Discord, Instagram, however you gotta get to me, and I'll make sure I get back to you as quick as I can. Love y'all. Be safe. Let's have a great week in the market, and I'll see y'all in the morning tomorrow at 9:30. All right? Peace.